Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Meta and how they're paying out their first ever dividend. We're going to show you when you need to hold it, how long you need to hold it, and how much you're going to earn per share for holding it. All that I ask is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In doing so, you will encourage this video to spread out across YouTube and find other people just like you that are trying to figure out how to beat the stock market. Now, if you are new here, that is what we talk about. We talk about winning strategies like trading the news, buying low, selling high, from day trades to swing trades. I even show you my dividend payouts, and I showcase all this to you week after week in daily videos and content. Tons of free resources as well. So sign up in the description below for that newsletter and let's get started. So guys, Meta stock surges 14% and investors are loving it. I'm loving it right now. It's the first ever dividend that Meta, or AKA Facebook, is going to be paying out. Now, this is great news for you and me. And why is that? Well, because that means they are making money and they are growing, okay? The company is announcing that they're going to pay 50 cents per share, and it's going to be paid out to this March 26th to shareholders. Now, the only stipulation here is that you have to own the stock before February 22nd. Now, as well as that dividend, there will be getting a $50 billion share buyback, which is going to help to boost the dividends and the stock price by rewarding investors with cash just for holding on to the stock. Now, this is great news for you and I because, one, we are going to now get a dividend for holding Meta long term, but we're also going to be able to trade this stock. And if you did not trade this company, well, we did trade this company. And if you didn't, then you missed out on some really good profits, guys. Look at this. In just a single day, Meta went up 20% in a single day. How would you have liked to invest $1,000 into your accounts and then wake up the following day and have an additional $200 that you did not have to work for? Now, let us see what this looks like at a different view. Look at the 3-month chart. As you can see, Meta's had significant growth, steady growth over time. But in just a small amount of time here, it's gone up over 20%. And this was due to a good earnings call, the fact that they're going to be buying back $50 billion buyback in stock, and that they're going to be having a dividend. Excuse me, and a dividend. We keep it real. I don't edit anything here. We're just going to keep it going, guys. So, they paid out a dividend, which is going to just be insanely beneficial to them. Now, why is this beneficial? Well, for one, okay, having a dividend paid out to you just encourages more investors to put more money into it. And not only that, why wouldn't they pay a dividend? Because their ad revenues per user is growing, which is demonstrating the value that the advertisers see in working with Meta. So, of course, they're going to have significant money now. And it's growing. It's at 472. A year ago, it was at $186. Okay. Back in November of 2022, you could have bought this company for $90. Now, why is this important? Because this is making money. You can make money off of this company. Either it's long-term money off of this company by having a dividend, or you can short-term trade this and make significant gains. You can do both. There's nothing wrong or anyone saying that you cannot do both. Now, with that said, today we are talking Moo, guys. Start your investing journey with Moo. You can get 8% interest on your uninvested cash and up to 15 free stocks when you fund the account. Check the description below and you will not be disappointed with that. So with that said, okay, Meta is going to be an interesting play moving forward. They have a lot of AI technology, various offerings, along with the launch of their VR product, which will increase engagement, driving further growth in even more advertising revenues, with more users and the usage time than the other social networks. Meta provides the largest audience and most valuable data for social network online advertising. They also own Instagram. So, I mean, that's just another thing that they can market and advertise on. Now, guys, I can help you take your failures to successes. Okay, we all have them. I've failed before. Okay, I've been doing this for a little while. I've failed before, but you can take your failures and turn them into successes, okay? Just by simply subscribing to this channel and watching content, doing your research, okay? But I do have a video here, how to trade with confidence every single time by having a plan and a stop loss and never trading with your emotion. Now, this is going to help you do one thing, guys, and what's that? Don't get caught holding the bag, okay? Make sure you have a stop loss. I have tons of videos on how you can benefit from having stop losses in your trades. If you're not using a stop loss, you definitely need to. I got a lot of other great content in here, so definitely check out this video. I will leave a description below and in the comments, as well as a card. And if you haven't checked out the private group, get your invitation, okay? You're invited. I'm inviting you. Okay, there's over 70,000 members right now. I think we're at 71.5 members. It's free to join, and the only way you can get an invite is if you either, well, sign up with the link below to the newsletter so you can get that free invitation, or you can already be a member. See, there you go. All right, so definitely check that out, guys. I appreciate you watching, and Meta is going to be a great company to invest in moving forward. Remember, I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. All I can do is show you what I'm doing and giving you the plan that I'm making to beat the stock market in 2024, guys. I'm already up 28% for the month of January. Actually, for the first week in February, technically, on this indicator, because it's halfway through January and February. Anyways, doesn't matter. Watch some more videos. I showcase a lot of my trades here, there, up here, maybe down there. I show you my 3 trades I did last week. And yeah, so let's get on board. If you haven't already started, best time to start is today, guys. Sign up with that link, and we'll see you in the next video.